Zimmer's industrial damping technology and soft close products exemplify the innovation and pioneering spirit of the know-how factory. PowerStop industrial shock absorbers. Its commitment to quality has represented the highest standard in performance for over 20 years. Thanks to the spiral groove in combination with the pressure sleeve and the oil reserve, the high-energy series achieves a number of cycles. Comes with highest demands width and maximum energy absorption. With integrated oil reserve. It had hardened and precision ground guide. Its cycle counts outperform other competitors in market. Design standard energy. It is optimally adjustable damping across the entire stroke. Efficient damping at a reduced energy absorption. Both series comes with piston rod, which is corrosion resistant. But the pressure sleeve comes with only high energy series. The application where the Zimmer PowerStop industrial shock absorbers can be used are handling modules, pneumatic cylinders, sliding doors, pressure chamber and so on. Seimitsu Factory Automation is an authorized distributor of Zimmer products. Please visit our website mentioned on your screen to know more, or you can write us on a given mail ID for personal assistance. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.